great on this wonderful Saturday evening. Sunday, sorry about that. We got the Lions game today. Boys better be cooking up some heat. All I'm gonna say, guys, I don't know how the view's looking. I gotta look at my phone. But the boys are about to go take some pictures at a boat launch. I think that should look pretty sick with Kyle right now. For the video, I'm gonna turn this down because that do be getting annoying though. I ain't even gonna lie. Also, still have not fixed my alignment, guys. I'm so sorry. Boy, Kyle's car's looking pretty tough though. Can't even lie. Alright. Does anybody have a Z and the Torque Solutions short throw shifter? Mine's pretty notchy. It was like really notchy before I got the weighted shift knob, because I used to have some like lightweight shift knob. I don't know. It was super notchy with that. I put the weighted shift knob on. Now it's not too bad, but it's definitely a bit more noticeable. Like, I've drove other 370Zs with that trans, and nowhere near as notchy. I'm just curious. Like, sometimes when I be going into second gear, it's just really weird. Especially on a pull. When I do a pull, it's very notchy. She is pulling really hard today with this boost weather though. Loving it. It's a beautiful day. Not too cold, not too warm. It's a nice day for the boys to get nice cruising, get some pictures, even though my hood and my front bumper are still off. Turbo's just sounding nasty. Let me know, guys. Comment down below if you guys want to see some more POV drives in the Z. It's so fun to make these videos. I ain't even gonna lie. I just made the first one like last week, 2 weeks ago. It is really fun making these videos. I want to get some races in. I haven't ever since I built the motor. I know I'm not even on a high boost right now. Kyle's probably going crazy over that BMW right there. He's probably like, ooh, mine's better. But yeah, no, it's fun making these videos. Like I said, I want to get some races in. Ever since I built the motor, I haven't been able to race nobody at all. No, I haven't raced nobody. Not even like lined it up. Yesterday I was trying to find some. I went out to Mexico to try and find some races, but nobody. I pulled up next to a GT350. Kid wouldn't run it. I thought that'd be a decent run right now, even though I'm on low boost. I think it would have been all right. On ramp, guys. This guy in front of Kyle don't know how to drive. Turbo is just sounding crazy. Shout out Pov Turbo. I love this thing. Turbo sounded nuts, man. You guys are about to see the absolute most dumb exit. Look at this. This is so short. I'm super curious on how many people have gone off right there. It is just such a short exit. To turn it up a lot here soon because it's running pretty damn good. Just kind of chilling with it. I'm having a blast with it, don't get me wrong. Should be decently reliable at this horsepower, I hope. With my luck, we never know. But yeah, it's definitely fun boosted. If you have a VQ, I highly recommend it. I know it's not too cheap to do, but definitely well worth the money. And to think, I think I've only raced realistically since the car was push and boost before it blew up. I think I only raced like one person. Yeah, I raced a Scat Pack. I gapped him by like 2 buses. I was trying to find a cat, but like a week later on our way to Gatlinburg, it blew up. Guys, I almost missed 4th right there. I need a Mickey. I need some slicks ASAP. All right, guys, here goes Trev's race car build. Yep. Check it out. Check it out. Here's Trev's race car build. Look at that. Oh, I'm just playing.
Where's the lift going? Right here?
So the lift is over there, and it's probably gonna go on this side.
Oh yeah.
And then it's gonna come up through the rafters, and then that piece on top.
How many transmissions? I'm gonna change them here.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
This is where we're gonna 5.7 swap Trev's car. Kyle's car. Guys got the new yellow bars. Ooh, that's looking pretty gas. I'm not even gonna lie. He's got the M package mirrors. Ooh.
Sir. What a hub.
But yeah, no, that about 30 minutes ago, as you'll see in the last video, I exploded a coolant hose. I got to get that fixed. But I did, it's kind of like rigged up right now, but did fix that. The boys are over here getting their cars washed. We're about to go get some videos. Go. Can't even lie, guys, the Z looks pretty aggressive without the bumper and no hood, but I'm not gonna lie, it looks too incomplete for me. I really need to get this stuff back on, get her looking real right again. Just wrapped my side skirt the other day. Looks actually insanely good. Don't mind the dirty wheels, I don't even want to clean them, too much work. But yeah, no, just looking clean. We just got to get the rear bumper wrap, front bumper wrap, and I got to get my hood back, and then we'll be back, boys. Oh, also, shout out Adam for the bride floor mats. These boys are hard. So Adam, if you're watching this, thank you. I'm planning on wrapping this soon because, I don't know, I don't like the silver look. I just feel like it doesn't go with nothing. Like Nissan with this stupid headliner. I'm sorry, Nissan, but you guys fumbled. This should have been black. Such a nice fall day to be cruising with the boys by the water. Yeah, I don't think there's anything that really beats this. It is a beautiful fall day. I have not had the Z out here in ages, man. It's beautiful. Beautiful, I tell you. I caught so many fish here.
Did it? I mean, that's a safe spot. It's a safe spot. But it's kind of risky.
Guys, I got really cold, but check Trev out. He's dialing me in with the cinematics for Instagram. Go down below right now and add our Instagrams. Mine's trippy_Z33. I think his is like ZN6 Trev. It's like Kyle330i and then S550 Andrew. It'll all be linked down below. It is freezing though.